when you go on these, you don't go sideways on this, you're gonna end up in trouble. Okay, this is how it looks like inside. So we're gonna choose the tires for Max's bike. We're gonna leave our helmets here because no need to walk around with those all the time. We don't use the bikes, of course. Yeah. Tires. Ooh.
This is the rear.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
40, 15.
Is it good in mud? Yeah, you think it's good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's do that. And the front is.
The front one. The front is here. But it's here the front. Wait.
Oh, it's one of these, huh? Okay guys, we just had a taxi from Mad Bikes up to here. So that building we're going over to now, that reddish white building, colonial type, is the place we're gonna extend our passavant. Location in the description as usual, so that you know exactly where to go. So apparently the extension we get is usually about 15 days, and it shouldn't cost anything. So we hope we're in the right place. So we went to that, there was a policeman outside, and of course they're very electric about the camera thing. So they advised us to go to this other place, AXA.
Yeah, that's
the blue signs up there
on the third floor.
On the third floor to extend the passavant. So that's what we're doing. So the taxi driver was actually correct, it is here. So alright, hopefully we are on the right track. We'll let you know in a minute. Okay guys, so I actually said that the building down there, but it's not that building. It's this high-riser thingy, big block here. And you go to this AXA insurance thing, and there is an entrance just on the side here. It says Resident Cape Verde, and that's where you go up on the 4th floor. You just go and ask the people there where to go and extension passavant, and they show you to the office. And there was nobody there. He was sitting alone, and he gave us the extension immediately with the extra stamp on the back, extending for 15 days, and it didn't cost anything. All smiles, and we left. It was like 5 minutes on the 4th floor of this building here, on this square. I'll put the name of the square and the location, exact location of this entrance in the description. So here you go.
We're done. It doesn't take 1 second.
So now we are going to have something to drink somewhere and make a plan for the rest of the day.
Yeah, next target is we're going to the embassy of Guinea.
The Guinea embassy and the Sierra Leone embassy is what we want to do today.
Yeah.
And maybe we also have tomorrow and stuff. And the motorbikes will be done all today, so we're gonna pick them up late afternoon. So everything is pretty much shaping out in the first day. We'll see how much we can get done.
That's good.
Yeah. All right, later. So Max, she found this place. It's just across from this colonial building we went to first. Just on the corner. I just passed it. I didn't even see it. I was so focused on getting this passavant. But you saw it.
Yeah,
And it's nice and it's nice and air conditioned, which is a huge plus. Okay, we had a little bit of coffee, and now we are trying to get some cash. And yeah, so Max is gonna go and get some cash, and we have different banks here. We are just checking them all if we need to. But cash is necessary because we need cash for visas and passavants or laissez-passer for the motorbikes and stuff like that. So, and we have the maintenance that we have to pay for this afternoon. So, lots of cash needed.
Brothers, smile and feel the spirit free. Time our drums call, the village gathers round. Songs of old.
See the goats are just going in and out of traffic here. See, the beauty is finished.
It's finished.
Oh wow. And the next one is in here with new tires on. Knobby tires. Beautiful stuff. Chain is done. Everything is looked after. Big tires in the back. They're bigger than mine, actually. Yeah, did you look at your tires?
Yeah.
They're big, huh?
Yeah.
You look like a grown-up now. Yeah, with the tires on.
I'm gonna go and reach my
You're fine. Okay, so if you need a few things, he actually have something, oil and other things. Pair of new boots, maybe. Some helmets, some protectors, elbow, knee, that kind of thing. Some KTM stuff up there too. So you definitely have quite a lot of the KTM parts. A lot of trophies, so he's a good driver. Matty. He can even do that. Okay, that's impossible, so we have to do the same exercise, honey. Are you on? No, we can't do it, honey. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. So I'll come and pick up your bike here to start here. Where are you? Where are you?
I'm here outside the thing.
The what thing?
Here.
Where the fuck are you? See, come ahead, honey.
Because
You're disappearing in people.
there's a guy over there.
What guy?
That guy.
You just get off your bike and go. You're not supposed to sit there. Go down. Get on
엄마가
it.
요?
Get on it.
I think it's
No, honey. When you go on these, you don't go sideways on this. You're gonna end up in trouble. You use this. It's almost 45 degrees. And there, that's where I did it. You don't go here, then you're fucking stupid. You're gonna end up in trouble. Don't do it again. Okay?
yes.
Alright. You want me to take it down?
Yes,
Through the water. You're so nice to me, honey. Yeah, don't do that, honey. Never do that again. Okay, go ahead. Over here, honey.
Vegan. 100% natural.
Yeah, you can sit here, huh?
Okay guys, we are still at the Dakar Center and we are having lunch here. And we are so healthy today because they have vegan choices here. So we ordered quinoa.
We're gonna move in here.
So what's your what is that? It's quinoa salad, guys.
Yeah.
And this is normal salad, I think.